In this video, I'll show you how to create a report in Salesforce CRM step by step. To get started, navigate to salesforce.com and make sure you're logged in to your Salesforce account. Once you're signed in, go to the Reports tab. This is where you can create and manage reports to analyze your Salesforce data. Next, click on New Report. You'll be prompted to choose a report type based on the data you want to work with. Select the appropriate report type and then click Continue to open the Report Builder. Inside the Report Builder, you can customize your report by adding or removing columns, applying filters, grouping data, or making any other changes according to your reporting requirements. Take a moment to configure your report so it displays the information you need. Once you're satisfied with your report, click Save and Run. Salesforce will save your report and immediately generate the final results for you to review. And that's how you can create a report in Salesforce CRM.